Microsoft Excel is getting smarter, faster, and a whole lot less annoying for anyone who works with text files and CSVs. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. A new Excel update added two powerful built-in functions, IMPORTTEXT and IMPORTCSV, and they could change the way you pull data into spreadsheets forever. Instead of going through Excel's import wizard every single time, users can now bring external files straight into cells using simple formulas and keep that data linked to its source. That means fewer clicks, fewer steps, and way less frustration. The import text function is for text files like TXT, CSV, and TSV, giving users control over delimiters, text qualifiers, and encoding. Easy words, Excel finally lets you tell it exactly how to read your data. For faster jobs, import CSV strips things down to the essentials. It assumes standard CSV formatting. It's ideal for quick imports from apps, databases, or online tools. Set the formula once, and Excel can refresh the data whenever the source file changes. No more re-importing from scratch. Microsoft is doing all this to reduce manual work while keeping everything transparent. Because the import logic lives inside a formula, it's easier to check or change. The new functions are rolling out to Microsoft 365 Insider users and don't replace Power Query. They're a lighter, formula-based alternative for everyday tasks. Plus, they can be used with equals Copilot function, so users can ask Copilot questions about imported data without leaving the sheet. It's all part of Microsoft's aim to turn Excel into a faster and more reasonable productivity hub. Do you get annoyed while making sheets too? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.
Keyboard shortcuts to add and delete rows and columns in Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data. Here are some tips on how to add and delete rows and columns in Excel with short keys. Shortcut keys to add rows in Excel. To add a new row in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, press Ctrl and Shift and plus on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the selected rows and select Insert to add new rows. Deleting rows in Excel. To delete a row in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, select the row you want to delete by clicking on the row number. Then, press Ctrl and minus sign on your keyboard to delete the row. Adding new columns in Excel. To add a new column in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and Shift and plus on your keyboard to insert new columns. Alternatively, right-click on the selected columns and select Insert to add a new column. Deleting columns in Excel. To delete a column in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, select the column you want to delete by clicking on the column letter. Then press Ctrl and minus sign on your keyboard to delete the column. Inserting line breaks in Excel. To insert a line break in a cell in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. Press Alt and Enter on your keyboard to insert a line break. Enabling filter button in a column. To enable a filter button in a column in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, select the column you want to filter by clicking on the column letter. Then press Ctrl and Shift and L on your keyboard to enable the filter button. Get Microsoft 365 for free. Try these simple methods. Microsoft 365 offers some of the most innovative apps, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which hold great potential for work, school, and personal use. Unlike the tools provided by Google, however, Microsoft 365 applications require a subscription. But worry not, GadInsider's got your back. We're going to tell you 2 different ways you can get these apps for free without having to spend a single penny. The first method, use your student or educator status. Students or teachers with a school email account are eligible for free Microsoft 365 apps. Here's how to get access. First, go to the Microsoft 365 Education website. Enter your school email address, then click Sign Up. Microsoft would verify your email address and grant access in an instant. The second method is how to use free versions of Microsoft 365 apps. You're not a teacher or a student? No problem. You can also use free Microsoft 365 apps with all of its great benefits. It's just limited. Here's how to get it. Go to the Microsoft 365 website. Click Sign Up for the free version. Type an email address and sign in. Click on the Services and Subscriptions tab. Scroll down and click Use Microsoft 365 for the web. The free web-based versions of Microsoft 365 apps provide users with limited features, but they're still useful for most people. The only catch is that you can't use it offline, but with a stable internet connection, you would be able to use it with no worries.
Yo, what's good, GadInsider fam? Microsoft just dropped a game changer at Build 2025 new AI APIs for Edge that let developers supercharge web apps with artificial intelligence. Is this Microsoft's big move to outshine Chrome? Let's break it down. Imagine websites and browser extensions powered by cutting-edge AI right in Edge, with no cloud needed. Microsoft's new APIs are here to make that real, and they're gunning for Google's turf. Stick with me to see why this is huge for devs and users alike. So, on May 19, 2025, Microsoft announced at Build 2025 that Edge is getting a set of experimental AI APIs. These are designed to let developers bake AI right into websites and Edge extensions. Think smarter web apps, faster tools, and even AI-powered browser tricks. The star of the show? Edge now has access to 5.4 Mini, Microsoft's AI model with 3.8 billion parameters. Dropped in February 2025, this bad boy is a math wizard, thanks to a mix of human-crafted and synthetic training data. Parameters are like an AI's brain power, the more, the better. And 5.4 Mini is built to crush complex problems, but it's not just about math. Edge's new APIs also include writing assistance tools for generating, summarizing, and editing text. Need a quick email draft or a polished blog post? Boom, Edge has your back. Plus, Microsoft's working on a translator API for AI-powered language translations, making Edge a global powerhouse. Here's the kicker. Microsoft says these APIs are built as potential web standards, meaning they'll work across platforms, browsers, and even other AI models. So, it's not just an Edge thing. This could shape the future of the web. And for devs handling sensitive data, like in healthcare or finance, these APIs run on devices, keeping your data private without pinging cloud servers. Right now, these APIs are live in Edge's Canary and Dev channels, so devs can start experimenting today. Microsoft's clearly taking a swing at Google Chrome, which also has built-in AI features, but with Edge's privacy focus and cross-central potential, this could be a serious competitor. So what does this mean for you? Smarter websites, cooler extensions, and maybe even a faster, more private browsing experience. Microsoft's betting big on AI, and Edge is leading the charge. Could this tip the scales in the browser wars? Let's hear your take. Alright, GadInsider crew, that's a scoop on Microsoft's new AI APIs for Edge. Are you hyped for AI-powered browsing, or is this just another tech flex? Drop your thoughts in the comments.